This is the all-new Magcubic HY320 Pro. The best-selling budget projector from Magcubic, bringing several upgrades over the older entry-level models, while still keeping the price very affordable. It features a native 1080p LCD panel, higher brightness, Android 14, autofocus, and a Bluetooth voice remote with Air Mouse support. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out. We'll cover the full unboxing, build quality, Android experience, picture quality, sound, HDMI performance, and my overall first impressions. Subscribe to the channel for more honest projector reviews, and let's get straight into it. I ordered the HY320 Pro directly from the official Magcubic website. It arrived well packaged with decent protection inside the box. Inside you'll find the Magcubic HY320 Pro projector, Bluetooth voice remote control, a small 4-pin power cable, user manual. Overall, it's a simple package with everything you need to get started right away. First impressions. The HY320 Pro looks clean, modern, and surprisingly premium for its price. The compact size makes it very easy to carry around. Magcubic has moved the speaker into the rotating stand, which I think is a well thought out and practical upgrade. The added weight from the speaker actually makes the stand feel more stable and balanced. Nice job here, Magcubic. The 180-degree rotating stand feels smooth and sturdy, making it very easy to project onto a wall or even the ceiling without needing any extra accessories. Let's take a quick look around the projector. On the front you'll find the projection lens, along with the camera used for the autofocus system. At the back, you get the HDMI port, USB port, power input, and the exhaust vents. Overall, the design is clean, compact, and very practical for everyday use. The HY320 Pro comes with the same Bluetooth voice remote we've seen on projectors like the L018. And honestly, it's one of my favorite Magcubic remotes. The voice assistant works really well. Air Mouse support is also available, making Android navigation much easier than using traditional arrow keys. Overall responsiveness is excellent, and the remote feels modern and easy to use. Boot time is around 20 seconds, which is pretty quick. The HY320 Pro runs Magcubic's custom Android 14 operating system. It comes with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. Navigation feels reasonably smooth considering the hardware. Apps open fairly quickly, and the familiar Magcubic interface is easy to use. Wireless screencasting is available for both Android and iPhone. Now let's talk about the intelligent setup features. Autofocus works well. However, I still recommend making a small manual adjustment afterwards for the sharpest overall image. Automatic trapezoidal correction is available. Unfortunately, it doesn't always work as intended during my testing. Personally, I actually prefer using manual keystone adjustment anyway. It gives much more accurate results and allows you to perfectly square the image. Do note that this projector does not include auto obstacle avoidance or auto screen recognition. Those features are normally reserved for higher-end models. I also noticed that there isn't a dedicated brightness adjustment inside the projection settings menu. However, while playing videos you can still open the picture menu and adjust brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, and sharpness. So you still have plenty of flexibility to fine-tune the picture. Here's a quick walkthrough of the Android interface. Now let's move on to the most important part. The HY320 Pro is officially rated at 400 ANSI lumens. For a projector in this category, the brightness is actually quite impressive. In a fully dark room, the image looks bright, colorful, and very enjoyable. In brighter rooms, brightness starts to struggle, as expected from a 400 ANSI projector. the image becomes slightly washed out with strong ambient light. Here's a quick bright room comparison. As you can see, the image is still usable, but the projector definitely performs at its best once the lights are dimmed. Colors are one of the biggest surprises here. Right out of the box, they're already very well calibrated. In fact, the color tuning reminds me quite a lot of the Magcubic L018. Colors look natural. Skin tones appear accurate. Whites look clean. Nothing feels overly saturated or artificial. Text looks clean, with very minimal ghosting, which really impressed me. There are also no noticeable blue glow issues on full black screens. Overall, the image quality is honestly excellent, considering the compact size and affordable price. The HY320 Pro has a 0.8 throw ratio, making it a true short throw projector. This means you can achieve a large image without placing the projector too far away. At around 7 feet, I'm getting a 90-inch screen. That's excellent for smaller bedrooms or apartments. Focus performance is excellent, which impressed me once again. The native 1080p panel produces a noticeably sharper image compared to many other projectors in this price range. A quick manual focus adjustment gives the sharpest overall image. Here's a quick corner focus test. As you can see, the corner focus is pretty decent. Overall, focus performance is excellent for this price range. The built-in speaker is rated at 5 watts and is located inside the rotating stand. It's perfectly fine for casual viewing in a small room. Dialogue sounds clear enough for movies and YouTube videos. Naturally, bass is quite limited due to the compact speaker size. If you want a richer audio experience, I definitely recommend connecting a Bluetooth speaker or soundbar. The good news is that Bluetooth audio works flawlessly with no noticeable delay. Here's a quick sound test.
Look at me and smile, acting unsurprised.
Fan noise is well controlled. During normal viewing, it isn't distracting at all. Even after extended viewing sessions, the projector stays reasonably cool. So overall, heat management seems very good. I'll provide exact fan noise and temperature measurements in my upcoming fully tested video. HDMI performance feels smooth and reliable when connected to my laptop. It's decent for casual gaming with responsive gameplay overall. Like many projectors in this category, this isn't a fully sealed projector. So long-term dust maintenance is something to keep in mind. Also note that there are no cleaning windows or removable dust filters for easier maintenance. Pros: native 1080p LCD panel, excellent picture quality and colors, short 0.8 throw ratio, great focus performance, Bluetooth voice remote with air mouse, compact and portable design, smooth 180 degrees rotating stand with built-in speaker. Cons: brightness is best suited for dark rooms, no built-in cleaning options for maintenance, no 3.5mm audio out, no auto obstacle avoidance or auto screen recognition, only a 5 watts built-in speaker. Overall, I think the Magcubic HY320 Pro is the king of Magcubic's budget lineup. Its biggest strengths are the impressive native 1080p image quality, compact design, short throw ratio, and the excellent Bluetooth voice remote. While it does miss some premium smart features, the overall viewing experience is surprisingly good for a projector at this price point. If you're mainly watching movies, YouTube, sports, or casual streaming in a dark room, I think you'll be very happy with the HY320 Pro. Product links and discount codes are available in the description below. I'll also be doing a full real-world testing video soon, including brightness measurements, contrast tests, HDMI latency, fan noise, heat performance, and much more. So make sure you're subscribed to AuraBox 360. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and until next time, ciao!